Shadile mina. Ngikhohle ukutshintsha i-title of this live. No, today we are doing my makeup. We're not dying, sorry. Okay, ngenze njani? Okay, wait, where's my beauty? Gcine kudana ukwenza i-makeup. Like yabona nje. Ukuba umama wengane uyakhohlwa nje izinto eziningi. Phela also yabona nje. Mawunomuntu wakho like yabona. Akusekho umuntu ofuna achazeke. You know, you're just chilling. You're just chilling. But namhlanje ngikhipha ini unyawo my baby. Unyawo. Unyawo. Lo uyangisolisa ngasakusiwuyu uzinqumalo. I'm soling. I think it's a fake account. Nyasola. Nyasola. Ngoba sinokujabula, ukhumbula ngijabulela uMamkhize. Ngajabula ngathi yo uMamkhize ungifolowile guys. Ay, ngambona vele live face to face. Mangisi claps. Ngiye vele kuMamkhize. Oh my gosh, Mamkhize ngiyabona ukuthi uyangifollowa, ngiyekuthanda. Wathi uMamkhize hayi bosses. Into engasu aba yona. Woo. Ngasho ngathi yabona ama fake account azosixabanisa nabantu. So ngibuye understand shame mabani scam. But that's one thing that will never happen to me. A fake account will never scam me. Scam me. Oh heck no. Hi man guys, where is this? My mic is on, but not for you guys. How sweet. Ho. Niqonda ingolani ishoyo like. Uphi ubaba ukugogo wakhe. If me and Kayla are still friends, that's for me to know. And for you to mind your own damn business. Kungaba njani wena usesenabo labangani bakho owachomana nabo lokya? No, ngoyajikelana. Guys, wani izongibuza ngomntwana, umntwana uzoba ne-page lakhe makana 18 or whenever. Mhlambe ngidecide kumenzela i-page bese ningambuza khona. This is my page. Libhalwe le page khanyisa damn jaceni. Alright. Uyaphapha, of course, my babe. Ungaphaphi la emhlabeni uzosala and uzoba broke. Yonke lento engiyiyo sesikuphapha, my babe. You must pop in life, otherwise uzosala. Uzosala, mele ube ne-confidence. Basi bekutshela ukuthi left, uthi right. I have an afro. My hair is not relaxed, my babe. Sengikuthe yami afro is very, very soft. Alright. It's soft, and of course, ngiyiphatha kahle nge-Afro Curl. Oh, big foundation. Alright. Yabona, this is exactly what happens to me ke xa ndibana nabantu like ema-mall and stuff. Umuntu amemeza athi yewena siphapheni. Yewena siphapheni saku-TikTok. Mele ngijike ngithini mina? Ngithi, yimi loyo. Next. Yilapho ngiyibulayita kakhulu influencer ngithi. Angeke uzongibiza ngosiphapheni mina. Khanyisa damn jaceni. Hello? Bafethu ngicela nithele foundation iphelile. Ya wena siphapheni. Hawu madoda, girl kokuqala ngikwazi. Angikwazi. Hey lona awu ngeke ngisamfollowa mina. Ha, thatha sesifollow yakho. Angiyifuni follow yomuntu odelelayo. Hi guys, i-TikTok itshintshile i-algorithm. Awuboni wena ukuthi xa ugqiba follower umuntu then yenzani? Awusamboni lo muntu. That's what's boring me. I'm like, ingathi ngeke ngiyenze too much. I-makeup mina. And kuyashisa yazini. That's why ngizimora. But yeah, we are here nonetheless. Oh, ngilide la. Hey yo, they could never make me hate you. If you know what you was doing wasn't tasteful. If you know what you mean, I'ma keep moving, keep bitches in the grass for. It's the number kids of the games, you ain't learned that yet. On the it's there burn that yet. Oh shame mntana muze. Usihle. Ofuna uhlala esandleni mntana muze. Uyafila umntana muthi umama zona namhlanje she's outside baby. Guys nginenkinga also abomakhelwane ba upstairs ngiyahudulwa every day ngiyahudulwa and I understand ukuthi yini le hudulwayo like guys every morning and every afternoon ngiqamba hey I wonder kwenziwa ntoni and manje bengizokhuluma shem if bengizokhuluma isintu you know if bekungabantu balana yazi baphi yazi bani bakuphi I am telling you now they are from the other country. I cannot speak because I am afraid. How would they respond when I ask, do I get there? I beg, can you please stop shifting? Can you please stop moving the furniture? Or pick it up. I beg, can you please pick it up? And then njalo kuyathuthwa itafula. Angazi matafula or umbhede. Hey. I don't know how it is, I will ask. Can you please, I beg, can you please stop it? Can you please stop it? Every day you are dragging and dragging. Every day you are dragging and dragging. I must listen to that, oh. I am tired, say. I am tired. Cannot. More. Can you please, I beg, can you please stop? Bang shy. Yeah, Ibon. So it really is such a catch-22 because I don't know how to address it. More, I will be glad. I will be glad if they are hearing me. I will be glad if they are hearing me. Can you please stop dragging the furniture? Stop dragging the furniture. Above. At least ni my witness, Amber face, my witness. Stop dragging. I beg. Every morning is the same thing. You are dragging furniture. You are dragging table, chair. You are dragging. Can you stop? I beg. Hey. More. Izosebenza ne. Igwe. Igwe ingathi ngiyahlonipha. And vela ama-bathroom abhekene. So if ukule bathroom mhlawumbe uyangizwa. At least nima witness Amber face uma kungenzeka anything. Ngoba ngiphinde ngiyisabe ngiyayisaba le nhlanga. They will beat me. Hey. Imagine if they beat me. Oh, hey, what will I be they do? Or more, I will call security. I will say, Oga, I was just on my TikTok. I was just on my TikTok talking to my TikTok people. Then suddenly I heard a knock. And now I was under attack. Izosebenza ne? Izosebenza ne? Also, one thing I realized about makeup, guys, it's really up to your interpretation, hey? Stop putting pressure on yourselves, guys. Yes, wonke umuntu ngathi wenza into eyi-one, but really it's up to your interpretation. Uba uyenza njani? What do you want? How do you want to achieve what it is you want? You know? Guys, is this, let me check. I think this is a fake account, Yakazi. I knew it. Kwabanjan. Hi. Yagan was on my fake account, guys. Do you really hate yourself that much? You are playing a side chick to your own life? Oh, how low is your self-esteem that you have to play a character or adapt to someone or be a fake account like ube anonymous, ube ngu-user? You're putting more effort in an account that is non-existent. How low is your self-esteem? Nyabuza, I'm just asking special. I'm just asking. Awusaphafanga. Giwaphi kiwe endaweni wena? Ningakhohlwa phela ukuthi ngi-famous. Ngiyi-superstar mina. Nginama-hits anama-plaque. Ngingayikhohlwa leyo part. Ngingayikhohlwa. Don't forget, ngine-husband engithandayo. Understand? Yes. Makudecide yena senze njani ungazikhiphi. Famous phela mina. How? Hey, wena uyi-fake account. Ngabe nawe famous nedwa ulibele ucashile. You hate yourself so much. You choose the fake account more than yourself. You could never be me. I am my biggest fan. I always stream my songs first before everyone else. You damn. I'm the best bottom line there's ever been. There will never ever be another one of me. Noba kungathiwa yi-AI. Asoze afike apha kum. Damn. Jam Ellie. Yo, what? That was such a 1K thing to say. Oh my gosh, Kanye. Damn. Such ambisa. Manje guys, into eyenzekayo. I have this look, right? Endiyikhuphileyo. Yabona i-outfit. It looks good in the mind. It looks good manje ngoba ngiyibeke phezu kombhedi. Ha! Mangiyigqoka. I know, izothi. I know. Oh. Nayazi la your outfit eyenza leyo nto leyo. Ma-outfits angibhorela loko mina ukuthi how madoda uyikhiphe uyicabange i-outfit. It starts in your brain, mos sharp. uyayicinga uba this would look nice with this. Wow, sharp. Hey, after that usuke up uthi uyigqoke. Ha, ithini outfit? It's sana, the hair also a concern. And phela mele imatch nale look. Now I don't know if I want this look to look like I don't know if I want this look to look like a boy, you know, because xa ndiyiboyifaya ndithini ndizofaka ikepisi kwabanjani, ngizothi ikepisi kwabanjani, ngithi nantoni. Guys, ngicela ukusuza. Ngicela ukusuza. Nizongijaja mangisuza. Ngisuza kam. Damn. Ha. Sengiqedile nje futhi ningabi sangibuza. Sengisuze kudala. Guys, kanti nicabanga ukuthi lento engiyiyo ku TikTok ngiyayifaka? Umsebenzi ongaka. This is me every day. This is the me that my husband sees every day. Say love me, put me Chanel. Okay, senzani after la. You know what I'm thinking? That's what I'm thinking with this look. Dithi afro. Dithi afro-kel. Dithi ngiyibambathe le afro ne. Mara not like kakhulu, but ngiyibambathe like, you know. Bambat nje. Kudlala amakheli la. Oh my gosh. Also, ngiyacabanga ukuthi uthole kanzima uhusband. Buzani yena. Ngoba nje ngiyamthwalisa yena. Nedi kanzima. I don't think so. Phela ngikhoshaya mina. Ngile type plan ama surprise. Sometimes bayimi is surprise. Shadana sinamona. Okay guys, and then like anifuna ukwenza too much. Ngiyayithanda la no makeup. Seqheke ke sani blush yami. Ungaba bantu benza kube mnandi. Of course. Hayibo, of course. Hey, ndiyicimile nanyema. Hayi wena sahlangane Rivonia Village. Ngiyabonga sithandwa. Shem, I believe a lot of people who've met me. Ngaphandle kwalo owathi, yena siphapheni. But everyone else, I believe Shem has had a great time. Like nje, it was a nice experience meeting me, you know. And back on the FP like I never left. And and then enjoy back. Sign put of susho asking and man ngayisusa ngoku umbheko wami. Guys, these funny lashes, lashes. That's the thing. I'm thinking of boyifying the look. And I only look shem OOTD nizoyibona. Look here. mina also bayangibhora abantu abathanda ukubukwa. I-comment uvele uyibone nje uyibhekile ukuthi oh thanda kubukwa. My class clown. No, nothing bores me. You know what else bores me? Ilabo gela bathi hayi ngcono abafana ubum guys nawo ungale. Mina ngazi ukuthi ngiyenzeleni le live ke manje izongibuza ubum. Utana munze. Guys, I'm gonna boyify this look. Say love me. Make a wing on top. Ulamanisa nini? Sinesithandwa sami. We're gonna take our time. Nanyadlala kungenzeka noma yinini. Noma yinini. Woo! Hayi yile filter. Esipilini guys ngishap. Nedile filter. Ngiyanitshela esipilini ngishap. Okay. Manic. I'm trying to think. We saw that like xa niphuma bangathi I do khanya wafaka makeup engaka naye. We're just chilling. Yeah, so mangifaka imascara inobu. Oh, hi Shem. Wow. Mangifaka imascara iyaxoleleka ukuthi oh hayi Shem hayi ho. Akenzanga kakhulu ufake nemascara like mangafaka ilash bazothi hayibo. Zanke sithi size ku Miss SA. No. Thulani yangiphazamisa. Guys, umntwana nami ngimfihlile Nkosi yami angifuni Shem ngaye yo. Angifuni nizombona mhlazane ngafeel ukuthi okay sharp. Okwamanje hayi Shem mntana mze. Like he's like my little present, my little piece of heaven. Like cuz you guys have access to so much, access to me, so much of me, you know? Excuse me. So, ngiyadlala umntwana wami sekaphakathi kuma advert net ngenimazi ukuthi imuphi. Whether usemaphephu, whether use-Ackermans, whether use-Jetsi, Asos, whether uku-Pampasi, whether uku-Asas. Ngiyathanda Shem akasakhali. Tana muze. Say love me, put me Chanel. Say love me, put me Chanel. Angifuni ukufaka amaleshi. Bese ngiyozibukisa ngabantu le la ngiyakhona. Get up and try. Oh, it feels like it's too much, guys. Ooh. I look good in person. Don't worry about it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi guys. Angifuni ukwafaka amaleshi, angifuni. And yini ozoyenza. That's why I understood social media ukuthi yazini. At the end of the day, akekho umuntu ozongishaya angenzanga lento wena bofuna ngiyenza. At the end of the day, akekho umuntu ozongishaya. Nizongishaya? No. Even for opinion yami. Andifuni. Bottom line. And ayikho cabanga wena into ozoyenza. Ndinenkani ke mna ke yabona siziphongo. Yabona siziphongo adengwa singaka sigcwele inkani. Ngeke ngizwe ngani mina. Mina ngeke ngizwe ngani. Trust the process. If I need trust, iphuma kule life. Kanti ndispray kanjani? Sengilwa nelanga. Ngikwatiswa yilaba bathi mina ngifake yini? Bathi ngifakeni amaleshi. Anifuni. And banifostela. Guys, noma ningafoster. Noma ungayipressa leyo phone uthi faka angini andizi. Do you wanna build a snowman? Inkani yenu ithusa ama-influencer afikayo. Mina anginishi guys, ngizongenzani? Akekho ozongishaya. Khona ozongilanda angishaye? No. Manje endakhona amaleshi. Hayi ukuthi awekho no idlu nawo amaleshi. Sharp. Le fixing spray ayinuki sharp inuka umchamo. Why inukela umchamo? Suddenly seyinuka umchamo. Mina sekunjalo mina. Into engiyibonayo. Ingathi sekunjalo. Inuka umchamo for real. I don't know why. Oh, and I wouldn't be shocked. I wouldn't be shocked, hey? No one. I know some people search the world. Cabanga nje uvuka ekuseni ukwazi ukucula. To find something like what we have. Okay, ngifuna i-lip liner ke ngoku. Ndizoshaya i-lip combo. Oshaya i-lip combo. Lip combo kwabanjani? Ngifake i-Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beaurizer. Ngicenge la guys. Ngizoyona boom boom. I think he really can feel that mama is outside. Ngenzi kakhulu nkosami ngi-highlighter nami sekungathi ngishelen. Ibiza shum, no shelen, Ibiza shum, no shelen, Ibiza shum, no shelen. Uyithatha phi, male ngakho uyithatha phi. Ngiyajampisa ukuthi ngiyi-1K manje. Le ngoma engiyiculayo ngichaza ukuthini? Guys, ngifaka i-lip liner manje. Umuntu unama-lips amahle. Damn. Same, my babe. Ndikuthanda. Happy Sunday. Now boom boom ngilinde like abe independent. Ndonqena uye enkonzweni nomntana ozobe ku bampasa on. Sana anikwazi uyisusa le filter. But I promise you guys, I look very nice. I look so good. I look so pretty. So okay, yona mele ngihambe nayo i-lip gloss. Hi guys, ngiqedile mina manje. Okay, now we're moving on to the hair. Moving on to the hair, guys. Hi, yeah. No. Ilihlo lami guys liyathithizela. Shothi ngiyobona umuntu engakaze ngimbone namhlanje. How boring. Ubani loyo? Akazi ukuthi angifuni ukumbona. So, done with my makeup right now. Ewe basic. Ewe no lashes. Just because of the look, guys. You'll see because of the look. Anthet nan ngoba ngikhuluma ne-vlog. Okay, do you wanna build a snowman? Cishe ngaraza, sure. Vele wakume. Andiyazi, like, I don't know. Bamhlawumbe like siqhubeke sithethe guys, like sithetheni okanye sithuleni. You know? This was my plan. Ngitheni. Inkinga yenu nithemba ama-wigi kakhulu. Umuntu uthemba um-install. Oh, mntanami uyakhala guys. Kanti manje lengqola lokukulana kungimoshela scrapping my style. Sharp, angithi niyabona right? Sharp. Bese senzani? Afro curl kwabanjani? Yini le? Afro curl kwabanjani? Sharp. Senze njani afro curl? Sicala ke siyashape. Yabona. Ish. I'm so bored ke ngezinto engazaziyo bazivelaphi. Sharp. Angithi. Right. Imana ngicedi. Okay, sits Afro curl kwabanjani? Afro curl kwabanjani bo. Curl activator bani gel kwabanjani? Sits. Ngicela nibheke le magic that is about to happen right now. Can your hair do that? Yazi why isingenziswa inwele zakho? Ngoba unenhliziyo embi. Abantu abanenhliziyo ezimbi vele i-energy yonke iya kule nhliziyo embi. That's why inwele Nkosi yami azikhoni ngiyadlala guys. Kadlala. Yeah. What do you even mean? Nakhona nje ngiyenzela ideko, yabo, ngiyenzela ideko. Ngiyahlobisa hayi ukuthi ngenza vele usho ukuthi manje zonke inwele, you know. Just the shops. Hayi kanti le shops manje yenzani? Hayi le shops. Hayi le shops yenzani kwaba njani? Imani kancane guys. Imani kancane like. I-shops ingathi khona ezingazwani. Vele kwakumele ngivume umuntu ukuthi akangithandi. Sengieda namanzi ngapha. Sakhaladi kwabanjani? As a woman, know how to do basic things. Wazi ukuthi okay, mangenza makeup kangaka. Mangathi this mangihlanganisa uZ no Q kuzophuma uAshkarine. Uyakukwenza imaths ngabafana. Okay, ngizocela usizwe ukuthi angenze izinsipho bese uMandla uye ozongenza inwe. Oh, bored. Khakuzicele wena uba okay. Mangisuka la ngizothi khona ukustyle inwele zakho. Akusiyiwiki lena, izinwele zami. Yes, I had applied le curl activator cream earlier on. So manje ngiyayivuselela ngani ngamanzi. Because ngiyabona ukuthi mayihlangana nale curl activator gel ingathi yenza nje enye reaction engingayifuni. Uyabona? As a woman, ungabi triggered bububhanqa. Wazi uzithembe la ukhona ukuthi I know myself phela mina. Ngizithanda lapha ithanda khona. Ngenza into like into engathi yahlukana kanje. But mele ngigcine manje on a serious note. Net yabona also I must think ukuthi okay mazishrinka. Zizoshrinka kanjani? Because obvious guys, if I'm wearing them out, they are gonna shrink as the day goes. So funeka be prepared about okay sharp. How are they gonna shrink? Le French mhlambe izogcina seyithe. But at least zizobe manje. I'm gonna move on to the outfit. Woo, saksabi outfits kwabanjani. No Pam, my darling. No Pam, my darling. Ngathi ngaba khona nje le one ihamba la. Say my name, Zaga zaga wawa, zo wo wo wo, zaga raga ra. Say my name, say my name. Exactly, ufane Merwe. Yes, yimi kwabanjani. Okay, guys, how do I look? How do I look, guys? I'm so excited. Asingiphuthe-ke lana ngicline. Kolomake. Ngivale yonke into ngibuyisele. Ngoba la ngiya khona mabangabuya bathi sicela ke umuntu makamuhle sicela uyobona kakhe. Ngithi with pleasure. Guys, wait. Reinforce lama curls. Angapheli fast, you know. Angapheli fast. Angapheli fast. Oh, okay, guys, it's time. It's time for me. Uthini usihle ngimphoce. Ngitsheleni uthini. Ngathi yahlupha. So yeah, it's time for my outfits, guys, and I'll just have to ile filter. I promise. Wenza ntana muze. Singiyona kumntwana, guys. Liquid liner. I don't know why I'm happy mina. I'm sure that's the thing. Andifuni. Guys, mara niyayazi lento engiyifilayo. Umntana wami uyakhala manje, ukhala serious. Baba yini, nyanthanda. Nizoyithola ku live, ku vlog. Ngizoyiposta soon, sharpini.